My name is Kat Edney. I'm a dental therapist and also the founder of The Modern Therapist. And I'm so excited to bring you some of the products that I use in practice and on my courses. One of the first products I'm very excited to speak about is GC's G Premio Bond. This is a non-HEMA MDP bond which gives you a fantastic hybrid layer between dentine and restorative material. What I love about this bond is it's not super thin, so I really feel like it's working well at the base of my cavities, and I don't get patients coming back with any sensitivity. In addition to that, this bond is also really fantastic for the use on anteriors. It doesn't have that characteristic yellow colour when you cure it. G Premio Bond is a versatile, light-cured universal adhesive which can be used on dentine, enamel and all restorative materials. It's really compatible with all etching methods and all indications, which means regardless of if I choose to do total etch, self-etch or if I'm bonding to composite, I only need one adhesive. It's really easy to use thanks to the thoughtful bottle design with a flip top cap for one-handed opening and precise dispensing, which reduces waste and mess because I'm only getting one drop at a time, and of course that's keeping my practice principal happy. The high viscosity of G Premio Bond gives me good control and allows me to create a nice thick layer at the base of the cavity, which reduces the occurrence of patient sensitivity. I particularly like to use it for deep restorations where there's lots of dentine to bond to, because I know that G Premio Bond is going to reduce my patient sensitivity and increase my bond strength, ensuring that that restoration will stay for the long term. Another product that I really love to use is GC's Everex Flow. Everex Flow is a fibre reinforced composite which is fantastic for replacing dentine in areas, especially when patients have deep cavities or they've had fractures within their enamel or their dentine. Gone are the days when my patients come back with tensile sensitivity issues with their teeth. When I'm using Everex Flow, I know that these are not going to be a problem. We can either use dentine replacement, which is curable up to 2 millimeters, or you can use bulk flow, which is curable up to 5 millimeters in those really deep restorations. The short glass fibers within Everex Flow reinforce the restoration from within, helping it achieve a strength similar to dentine and inhibiting crack propagation to give a really strong foundation for my restorations. Everex Flow has a thixotropic viscosity which allows it to flow and adapt well to the cavity floor, but without any slumping, even in upper molars. This makes it really easy to handle and I can achieve full coverage of the cavity with no concerns. GC's Genial Accord is a nano-hybrid uni-shade composite which I love to use on both posterior and anterior teeth. Genial Accord's unique filler and full coverage saline coating technologies make this composite really easy to place and give it excellent aesthetics and wear resistance. It is highly polishable and maintains long-lasting gloss, which makes it a really aesthetic option for both anterior and posterior teeth. The advanced filler technology enables the composite to mimic natural light reflection, which means there are only 5 shades to choose from. This makes shade selection simpler and faster. It has a high wear resistance and natural fluorescence that make restorations look natural under any lighting conditions. Genial Accord is non-sticky and easy to handle whether I'm sculpting with hand instruments or using a brush. It just slightly flows when you pack it into the cavity. If you're using it for anterior teeth, there's actually no need to heat this composite up, although if you want to, you can. In order to make sure that my restorations have a beautiful finish, I always love to use GC's modelling liquid with GC's modelling brushes. This is really a fantastic addition to my dental kit, and it means that my restorations come out looking beautiful and smooth and requiring far less finishing than ever before.